Hi guys! Mon Montenegro, ang inyong bayaning bayat call center agent vlogger. So for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Little Humalig of... Ano? Little na tayo? Okay, Little Boracay of Humalig Island. So yun. So pupunta kami doon sa bandang dulo para magpa-picture. So saglit lang to, super quick. Siguro mga 2-3 minutes lang itong vlog na to. Since second punta ko na dito, and I believe may napanood ko yung video sa akin. Ayan, I believe na ayan, nakita niyo doon yan na yan. Meron ako dyan picture or video. So, super quick lang naman. Ini-enjoy ko lang yung island and super quick lang yung mga videos ang ginagawa ko. So we're just enjoying the shore.
I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
Yeah, with the kayak there.
I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.
Hindi gusto ko yung ganun, no, may puno.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
Ayan. So guys, kung makikita nyo, may nag-picture doon. Ayan. So, we were trying to picture there mamaya. Ayan. So, super quick lang. Siguro mga 2-3 minutes lang to sa ating pag-vlog. So, hindi natin masyadong habaan yung vlog. So, Little Boracay of Humalig Island. Jumalig pala. So, end na natin yung vlog. Super quick lang talaga to. So, bye-bye!